So today I'm going to talk a little bit to you about these problems that appeared at our last pre-assessment. And I know you were struggling with it because you just see all these numbers and you're really not sure what to do. So what you're going to do is either add a plus or a minus into each of these number sentences to make sure that they're right, okay, and that they complete the number sentence. And it also is tricky because the sum can be at the beginning, which I know is hard for you, or it can be at the end. So let's think about this. If I were to look at the first one, 13 is equivalent or equal to 6 plus or minus 7. So if I think about 6 plus or minus 7, I know that the sum is big, so larger than the 6 or the 7. So already I know that it's an addition. I've added these two numbers because neither one of these numbers is smaller than the 13. So if I think about this and say 6 plus 7 equals 13, I'm going to check it and say, well, I know 6 plus 6 is 12, plus one more because it's actually a 7 equals 13. That's true. So 13 is equivalent to or the same as equal to 6 plus 7, okay? Let's look at the next one. We have 9 plus or minus 4 equals 5. Well, all of a sudden, 9 is the largest number and it's appearing first, and the 4 and the 5 are smaller than the 9. So already I know that I'm subtracting, but I'm going to just double check and see. 9 minus 4 is 5? Yes, it is. Excellent. I wouldn't say 9 plus 4 equals 5. That wouldn't make any sense at all because the 5 would be smaller than the 9. So I already know that when my first number in a number sentence starts larger than any of the other numbers, I'm subtracting. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Again, 16 is equal to or the same as 8 plus or minus 8. Well, already I know that my largest number, my sum, is my largest number. So I'm probably going to add because neither of these numbers are larger than the 16. But I'm going to say it to myself again. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Yes, that's right. So I want you to not be worried about when you don't see a plus or a minus there because it's really not that hard. Talk yourself through it. I don't want you to get worried when you see a sum first and the equal because it's really that you're almost doing a greater than, less than, or equal to. You're saying that 13 is equal to 6 plus 7. And you're saying 16 is equal to 8 plus 8. They mean the same thing on both sides of the equation of the equal sign, okay? So don't get worried or stressed when you see that. Just think about it in the way that you're looking for a number sentence that is equal to or the same as that sum, okay?